Hi, welcome back to Bobshi's Corner. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Barb. I thought I would pop on here and let you know I got my onion starts from Dixon Deals today. So I started to open it up and it feels a little damp on the inside, almost like it's, I don't know, going bad. So I have to take them all out and just lay them out. I'm not ready to plant them today. But when I am, I will bring you along. But I'm just going to bring you along and show you what I'm going to do with these. But I think I'm going to go inside because the wind is picking up and the sun is blinding. So let's go in the kitchen and I'll do this on the counter. Let's get to it. I'm going to lay them out on this tray. Separate them. And I'll put it in my garage. I would be doing this in the garage, but my son's car is in there and he's doing a repair. So the kitchen counter it is. So they do feel, you can see right here, I don't know if, where am I? It's kind of moist and they would probably rot if they were in the box any longer. So I'm just going to do this, separate them out, let them dry out a little bit. Don't know if what I'm doing is the right thing to do, but it's the only thing I can think of. Now, if you remember, last year was an epic fail. And I'm not going to do that again. I'm not going to give any haircuts. It's funny thinking about it. I saw somebody on YouTube giving their onions haircuts, but I don't recall them bringing back the audience to see how they fared with those onions when they were ready to harvest. So apparently this is the fertilizer that's used when planting onions or onion starts. So that's what I'm going to use in my, what I'm calling an onion patch now. So here they are. I'm glad I opened up the box when I got it, because I think if it stayed in the box an extra day or two, then the starts would start rotting. Like right here, they're like, they started, well, they feel like they started to rot. So this will help dry them out a little bit before I'm ready to plant. And today is April 1st. I think I'm going to wait until around April 8th. Looking at the weather, we're supposed to have rain on and off for a few days, like in a row, overnight into the next day. And I don't want to plant these onions out there if we're going to get a lot of rain. So I'm going to wait until, I think I saw it was maybe next Wednesday. And then there'll be a couple of nice days, and then we'll get some rain. So I think that's when I'm going to plant it out. We'll see. But I'll bring you along for that. So thank you once again for joining me. And I hope to see you soon. Until next time. April Fools. It is April 1st, by the way. My video is not over quite yet because I wanted to... I don't know if I said where I ordered these from. And I ordered my starts from Dixon Deal Farms. And my first time ordering was last year. And they were introduced through a video, a YouTuber that I began watching. And to this day, I love watching her. It's Double Vision Homestead. and she was talking about the onions. And she's very informative. I learned a lot from her. So if you're watching this to this point, shout out to Double Vision Homestead for getting me into growing my own onions. So now I can say thank you for joining me. I hope to see you soon. Until next time.